is a 2017 Triumph Street Twin. But this is not just any street twin. This is my street twin. You know, I've talked about this bike ever since it came out back in 2016. I knew that it was my perfect motorcycle. You know, I love my Suzuki TU250X, but that bike has no power and no safety features. That really limits how far I can go on it and what conditions I can ride it in. But the Street Twin has power. It has ABS and traction control. And on top of that, just look at the thing. UJMs will never go out of style. And listen to the noise that those twin pipes make. As far as mods go, I've kept it pretty simple. Just some tank pads, a passenger handrail, and these CRG hindsight mirrors. I actually pilfered these mirrors off of my TU250X, which is pretty cool because now my new Triumph bears the same battle scars as my old Suzuki. It's also pretty cool because I didn't have to buy new mirrors. Classic styling, modern technology. I can't wait to see the places this bike takes me and to ride the roads that get me there.